background of your choice inside of Capcut. So what you want to do is go over to your text, Windows plus colon key, go over to symbols, and then select the square icon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the font size, go over to scale and increase the scale. So this is our background. If I want to make this background look more aesthetic, or add more vibes to this background, I'm just going to copy it, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Then on the second one, I'm going to highlight this, Windows plus colon key, go over to symbols, then select the circle icon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the font size, then go over to colors, then use a green color, then I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to reduce this, I'm going to bring this here, I'm going to click on this, I'm going to copy, paste, then take the second one to this place. So if I want to make this background look more cool, I can go over to effects, go over to blur, I'm going to import the blur, I'm going to place it here, then drag it to the end. Then I'm going to go over to this one, go over to opacity, I'm going to reduce this a little bit. Okay, let me just delete this. Then I'm going to highlight these two, Alt plus G, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. I'm going to drag the second one. This I can just copy and paste. Then I can drag this to this place. I can as well change the color. I can change the color to any color I want. Sticks. So yeah, you just have to create that custom background, or to add shadow to this logo. This is a plain logo, so I'm going to be adding a shadow to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this logo, then go over to this one, the second one. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Then I can just go to effects. I can add blur. So it's just going to give this logo that blur effect. Or if I want this to look more of like a shadow, I can bring this out this way. I can reduce it small. Then go to adjust, go to curves, and bring this down. Bring this down. I'm just going to go over to the opacity. I'm going to reduce it. So this is it. Our logo has a shadow effect. I think this is okay. So I'm just going to highlight this and I'm going to compound click. So our logo has a shadow effect. So if I want to make this, swipe glow effect on this logo, then go over to the second one, go over to this one, the first one, go to adjust, go to HSL. Then I'm going to look for the colors that are in this video. I'm just going to increase the lightness. Then I'm going to raise this up. I'm going to raise it up. I think this is okay. Then I'm going to go over to video, go over to max. Then I'm going to add max to this. I'm going to add the splits. I'm going to turn this way. Then I'm going to reduce this so we can have that, swiping effect. I'm going to reduce this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a keyframe, then go over to this place. We drag it down this way, then go over to this place, drag it over again, depending on how many times you want this swipe effect to happen on your video, on your logo. Go over to this place, drag it down. This is okay, so we're going to smoothen the keyframe. I'm going to use cubic out. I think this is okay. Then we're just going to play the video. Or you can increase this. So this is how to add the swiping effect to your icon. UIs and Apple kind of UI effects. I'm going to show you how to do that. I used this effect in my last video, so I'm going to be showing you how to create it. All we need to do is import the default text. I'm going to highlight on the text and just close colon key. Then I'm going to bring in my box icon. So I'm going to increase it till it's full. Then I'm going to extend it. Then I'm going to compound flip this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to max. I'm going to add a rectangle max to this. Then I'm going to, let me see, I'm going to make this, extend this a little bit, then bring it back a little bit. I'm going to give it that round effect. So this is it. I'm going to drag it like this. I think this is okay. Then I'm creating a search bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add I'm going to go over to my, I'm going to import a search icon. So this is my search icon. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to reduce it and I'm going to drag it to this place. So this is my search icon. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the default text. Then inside this text, let me just say how to create a search bar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the scale, reduce this, then change the color to black. So we now have our text like this. I'm going to reduce it. Then we're going to reduce this one, shift it. So we're not going to add the typing animation. Let's add the typing animation. I'm going to be using the typewriter. I'm going to for the typewriter. This is the typewriter. I'm going to increase this. Okay. So what we're going to do is I want, if we search this, it's going to open and show us what we are looking for. So to create this, we're going to leave it till it's up to this place. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this compound clip, go to video, go to max. We're going to add a keyframe, extend it to this place, add another keyframe. Then we're going to, on the second keyframe, we're going to open this up like this. we're going to open it up like this, then go over to hand corners. We're going to reduce this to this like this, then let's look at it. So we're going to smoothen this out. We're going to add cubic out. So what we're going to do, as it's opening like this, we're going to highlight these two. We're going to create a compound clip. Then we're going to add a keyframe in between these. We're going to add a keyframe here. Then we're going to drag this up like this. Yeah, we're going to smoothen this out. So this is what we have. You can also extend this a little bit, then smoothen it out. So as you can see, we've created a UI search bar. So to spice this animation up, I can add something inside here. I'm going to copy this. Copy. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to compound clip this. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to reduce the color. I'm going to reduce the color a little bit. I think this is okay. Then go over to video max, add a max. So I'm going to size it to fit inside this place like this. I'm going to create a round corner effect. So once after the text, after the box is open, we're going to see this immediately. We're not going to leave it like this. We're going to add something. So as it's opening, this box is revealing itself. We can add feeding to this. You can just go to this place and add feeding to this, or we can use keyframes to do something. So we can add a keyframe here, then go over to this place, add another keyframe, then go over to this first one. You can go over here, you can reduce this, you can drag it to this place, reduce it again. So we now have this stuff coming out like this. So what we're going to do now is, to this first keyframe, we're going to add a blend keyframe. This is the blend keyframe. We're going to add a blend keyframe to this, then go over to this second one. We're going to add another blend keyframe. Then first one, we're going to go over to this first one. We're going to reduce the opacity. Then we're going to smoothen this out. We're going to add cubic out. So this is what it looks like. Let me play it. So this is what we have, and then this. So I can also add something to this. I can go over to this place. I can add motion blur to this. I can just add play it. Let's play this from the beginning. This is what it looks like. I can play this again. Now, when applying keyframes, note that the closer the keyframe, the less smoother the animation is going to be. For instance, if I bring this keyframe closer, like this, and add cubic out again. It's going to be very, very fast. So let me play this so you can see what it's going to do. So this particular layer is for the text. As you can see, the text is going to go up faster. So it's not going to be smooth. But if I take it back to the original position, which is this place, and add my cubic out,